Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to join someone with joins off in Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the first thing that we want to do is go to Google and search for this, restore all the Roblox server list. So just Google search for this. Open up the first link. You will see that it has high ratings, so it's completely safe. Click on Add to Chrome, and then click on Add Extension here. And it should be installed like so. After we have done this, we want to go back to Roblox here and refresh the page just so the extension starts working. And let's say that we want to join this person, but they have their joints off just as an example. So we want to click on the person's name and we want to copy it. So just copy this username here. So I'm going to right-click and copy this. Now what we want to do is go back here and click on our extensions list right here in the top. So click on the extensions puzzle piece and click on Restore Old Roblox Server. Now we will enable this all to search, and we want to paste their username right here. So I'm going to right-click and paste it. So as we have done this, we can click anywhere, and they're playing this game. So we want to see which game they are playing. So in our case, it's going to be the Block City RP. So we want to search for this game right here. The Block City RP and experiences. So hopefully it shows up. So this is the game that they're playing. So what we want to do is click on the game itself, and then go to servers here. And if our friend is in any of those servers here, now make sure that this is enabled here like I just showed you. So if they are in this server here, and they have their joints off, they will appear right here. And you will be able to actually join them. So that's basically how you can join someone with joins off in Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.